So we have 4,000 miles. Shocks were put on at 1,200. They're destroyed. Like, they're gone. They're at the end. Here, jump up and down on the scooter for me. You can see they're just they're done for. They're completely shot. But yeah, that is the shocks. We're gonna replace them and show you how they are when they're brand new. These are fully adjusted up right now with the dampening, but like I said, these have thousands of miles on them. So that makes a huge difference. But they hold up a lot better than the stock shocks. We'll show you that here on another one. So here we have a normal RS with the original shocks. It has 1,300 miles for proof, probably a little bit more. We put our aftermarket tires on and improved it. I just fixed the motor wire because that was destroyed. Also, it's been upgraded to quad piston brakes that we also sell, so it's a lot better stopping. That's a huge improvement. But yeah, it's not the main focus of this video. It's to show you the shocks and how bad they are. So I'm gonna have him jump up and down on the scooter, and we will see. You can just feel the, oh, he's got it. You see the clunkiness. That, it's all ever as he's failing, but that's okay. But yeah, you can just see here, it's just that. And I have it set to the stiffest right now, which some people don't even like. They want some comfort in their ride. The new aftermarket shocks will provide that because you can damp them and adjust them to how you want to ride in the terrain you ride on. So that's a big thing to think about. We sell them on our website too. But yeah, definitely make sure you do the shock upgrade. It's one of the biggest things. All right, so here we have the Inmotion RS Lite that we installed the new shocks on. We showed you before how destroyed they were. He's gonna jump up and down on it, and you can just see here the difference. You know, and this is set to the lowest setting on the shock, so that way, you know, you can always make them stiffer, and as time goes on, they're gonna work in, and then you're gonna be able to do that. So you'll be able to adjust them actually, and you have the dampening to actually enjoy your scooter. Where when we go over to the normal RS over here, these shocks have just 1,300 miles, almost 1,400, set to the max dampening, okay? And you're gonna see here how jonky this shit is. Jonky, yeah, jonky's a good word for it. You know, yeah. You know, the back's already shot. Probably gotta throw lube on that to maybe help. The other shocks you barely even have to lube most of their life. Like I can actually attest to that now on this one, where there's actually over 2,000 miles, and then there's a new one. So yeah, I mean, it's a big thing to think about. Upgrade your shocks. We sell them on our website. It's a huge upgrade. They last a couple thousand miles instead of this crappy 1,300. So make sure you check that out.